Hello, this is me, Ali Raza, and I'm an owner of a Google partner company. And in case if you need Google Ads audit, setup, or management services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Now, let's move forward to the question I have today. And the question is what to make of this data TCPA versus maximum clicks April 1 to 38. Okay, but before I start the question, let me tell you that what is TCPA and what is maximum click. Okay, so TCPA is a bidding strategy which is being used over here. So you can see over here, make it as TCPA as well. It's a bidding strategy, Target CPA, where you set a target of the maximum cost per acquisition you set and give to the Google that this is the maximum amount I'm willing to pay for a specific action. Now the action could be a lead, could be a sale, or whatever your goal is. Versus maximize clicks is another bidding strategy. So if you ever have to see, just move on to one of your Google Ads account, simply go to your campaigns. Let's say I'm going to this campaign and I'm going to just settings to show you over here regarding this. So if I go into my settings, you may see over here my bidding strategy. Now this is a manual bidding strategy campaign right now, but if I change my bidding strategy over here, and you may see over here that there is a maximum maximize clicks option as well, so which is being used over here. And the other strategy is a target CPA strategy. This is a TCPA strategy, and this is the by default the Google is recommending the target CPA for this account. However, the scenarios for this, which is the question I got from the audience, but I'm telling you what the bidding strategies are. Now the TCPA strategy is not available for new campaigns, so you need to have some data of conversions before Google may recommend you to go for the TCPA. Otherwise, you're going to waste the money. Now it's asking the data, so I'm going to show you the first of all the data. This is the data results for April 1 to 30th A/B testing results, $40 per day. The service number 1 area is target $35 CPA form submission, where the $35 was form submission idea. Maximum clicks they got is 328 clicks with 12.48 CTR and 7.93 conversion rate. $607 spent and $23.37 was the cost per acquisition CPA. Another campaign where they got 222 clicks, and this is TCPA target CPA campaign, where with 222 clicks, you got 15.93 CTR, which is higher than the above maximum clicks, got 12.84% conversion rate, $60 8 spent and $21.34 CPA. Now if you see over here the data over here, which clearly resembles that the option number A is expensive and the option number B with target CPA is cheaper. Now another strategy which I'm going to show you over here. Now over here you may see over here that the target $40 CPA form submissions, and if you see the maximum clicks 244, 11.67 CTR, 4.92 conversion rate, 608.31 spent, 50.69 CPA, and target CPAs. With target CPA, the campaign was 3.7% CTR, 9.83% conversion rate, $601 spent, and 35.38 CPA. There are few metrics which are saying over here that the average cost per appointment booked across all channels is $92.92. Profit per appointment is $50. 39% they are gonna rebook it again. Currently running sales to get people in the door, not get profitable. Am I right in assuming that TCPA is the clear winner? Am I safe to convert all campaigns fully over to this? I'm thinking next to run direct to a booking page instead of a contact page. So my observations over here, yes, the target CPA is clear winner over here. However, if I was on your place, I would have done a comparison of TCPA versus maximize conversions, because with the maximize clicks, the Google goal is to get more and more clicks. I recommend people to run maximize clicks campaign. However, on the new campaigns, on the start of the campaigns, but when we get some conversion data, I do not recommend people to run on the maximize clicks. However, I have seen some scenarios as well where the maximize clicks was working very well as compared to maximize conversions. Now, I've been recommending maximize conversions to the people very much. So, if there was a comparison of winning comparison, who is going to win? it shouldn't be between the TCPA versus maximize clicks, but rather it should be between a TCPA, target CPA, versus maximize conversions, where the Google is trying to get as much as conversions. Now understand the theory algorithm of the Google. With the maximize click, the Google theory is to get as much clicks as possible. The goal is not the conversions, but with the maximize conversion strategy, the goal is to get as much conversion as possible. Now that is going to be a very good battle, where I'm going to do a comparison of TCPA, target CPA, versus maximize conversions. Now if I was you, I was going to do the next comparison. If not yet, I would do the next comparison between TCPA versus maximize conversions. However, in this scenario, in this race, the TCPA is a clear winner. Now if you are thinking next to run direct to a booking page instead of a contact form page, yes, my opinion is going to go with the booking page. Booking page has more tempting content or word which can convince. You also have more CT options as well. CT means call to action options are available as well on the booking page, which you can show, through which you can generate more sales. Now another thing I may recommend over here, which I usually do, is I assume that you know all of the best practices, including search term, anti-fraud click, and everything. So my strategy is to work with your asset strategy. Suggestion is going to be add assets as well, like running a promo deal, pricing, and side link extensions can shift your ordinary ad to a very tempting and convincing ad. So my cup over here is to add these as well. Plus I may also do the comparison for ad positions to see what we are looking around. And then the test marketing, there is no ending of test. You keep on doing test. You may checking out different locations, different timing, different areas with different campaigns. The more the ad customization also plays a role. So I'm not saying it right now, but the ad customization could also be a very crucial factor in the optimization of the sale. But for now, the ad assets is going to be my general advice with this over here. And yes, TCPA is the winner over here, and the next competition should be between TCPA versus maximize conversions. If you all are going to do this, if that is going to be a suggestion, plus look on your search terms and on your negative keywords and improve your campaign structure. So yeah, I hope you like my answer. But in case if you or the audience is looking for Google ads, fixing of the campaign, or digital marketing campaign, or Meta, or if you need help with Shopify or web development, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. We look forward to working with you. So once again, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.